Special Agent Fox Mulder here. Panoramic view of the Baxter Straightaway. Baxter Station, platform just available there. And another intersection just up there. We're going to hopefully go up and film a train going fast through there. They get the whips out down through here, so let's wait for this train. We've got a nice tree in autumn form there too, so it's about one of the only ones here. It's got a little bit there. Alright, let's wait for some of these trains. There's our milepost down there. It says 51, and it's actually not a milepost, it's actually a kilometre post. So 51 kilometres from Melbourne. There you go. All those times I've been saying how far we are from have probably been inaccurate, but there's your official. There's some of our track markings for those that are interested in what sort of rail we use here. Standard gauge, of course, but there's some of the weights we use. A bit extra on this section of the track because it's, of course, carrying the steel train, but so we've got 60 kilos out of 2011 in the first month. Okay, Doodlebug ahoy. He's got another crossing to go over before he gets to this one. Well, why, that's how far away he is. And we'll wind him out to widescreen mode. Watch him flick past. These gates will activate in a minute. Watch them go down as he approaches, for those that like the gates. And whoa, there they go. And he's hammering. Absolutely motoring. Bang. Not hanging around. You've got to pull up that Baxter Station now, so they'll be throwing out the anchor at any second. Alright. First train of the day. On to the next one. Well, you know what? F it. I'm just going to stay here because I don't think I've filmed a train here, and I reckon this steel train is going to be hammering past here, so we're going to hang around for him here. Philosophical question of the day. A horse walks into a bar and orders a beer. The bartender says, "Why the long face?" Alright. Steel horse ahoy. Sorry about that. He's pretty far away. It's about 2 clicks down the road, a mile and a half. Okay. He'll be booking Jack, so go ahead and slap that like button on the back. Give the subscribe button a kick up the arse if you don't mind fast trains. Help out the channel. Leave a Google Map link in, of course, of where I'm at. Street View map. And also I'll leave a link to Wide World Trains, because Mike's a big supporter of mine, and also Dave from Baltimore and Ohio Railroad. Links in the description. Alright, we'll widescreen him out. Wonder if we've got the dual cab on the front, or if we've got the Ace, the SD70 ACE EMD. Cool horn. cab on the back end. He's got a bit of bounce going up over the crossing there. So we have our axle counters. Hoppers away. Full of Colorbond product heading towards the processing plant and then heading overseas via the boat. Coolio. He's probably had to throw the anchors out there. He's got a bit of a corner coming up around there. Still going pretty quick though. Pretty happy with that. Alright, we're going to head down to the Naval Cerberus base this time, and the base at Cerberus trip point. We're actually going to try and make it this time. Okay. Actually made it down here for him to come across the line. There's our ace on the front end. And our dual cab. See on the top there, over the top is the main line. Where he's going is a bit loud, that one there. Sounded like I had something on the wheel. He's heading into BlueScope Yard, and they'll be getting flicked off and manufactured into Colorbond products, the same as Hardyside in America. Empty cradles there. They're the bigger style cradles for the bigger coils. Massive. Okay, hoppers ahoy. That's what's got your Colorbond product in it there. Everything from windows, gutters, siding, you name it. Colorbond Wrigley tin, probably their most famous product. The wheels go across the line there. Got a little bit of a bend on that one. Oh yeah, she's having a good stretch there. Look at them all jumping up and down there. See the knuckles jumping up and down. Looks like it's there coming across to the concrete section. Oh, he's made it all the way across the main drag. Everyone will be happy with that. There'll be a fair bit of traffic up here. Okay, he's heading round. Flick those coils up the hill to the big crane through the cutting. Hoppers will stay there and then get flicked down the yard, and then he'll bring out the new train for tonight. Awesome. Alright, we're not going to make it down to Cerberus, so we're going to probably start from there tomorrow, I reckon, because we keep saying we're going to get down there. So we'll head down to Warringini and we'll get the Doodlebug coming back to finish off. As you can see, he holds up a fair bit of traffic. And we're still waiting. Old Pertec fan there. Alright, after about 5 minutes trying to get across the Flaming Road, we're back in the car. Let's go to Warringini. Turning left there takes you down to the BlueScope manufacturing plant and also the docks. Got some videos from down there. We've got some nice beaches down there too. Private beaches, but they're anything that's of course with a bit of sand on it and a bit of water on it is actually public land. So you can go down there and yeah, it's one of the most untouched and beautiful bits of beach along the peninsula. Alright, so we're on Marine Parade here. might as well just stick with it. Bit of a cruise, Boat Harbour to the left, Marina, Hastings Marina. That port's been there since the 1860s. Melbourne used to be the second most populous city in the world after the gold rush. It's hard to believe that Melbourne, or what it was formerly known as Batmania, which should be still called Batmania, was the second largest city by population in the world in 1862. Unbelievable. And as we go around the corner and we get over more of these cross and speed bumps, we're heading onto Reed Parade. It's kind of a bit weird because we're sort of still on the same road, but the end of Reed Parade is our destination, which is Warringina Creek crossing. Of course, the Special Agent Fox Mulder golden rule for driving is, ready for it? Don't be a dick. Same for train filming. Don't be a dick. That's all that's required. Okay, I can see the crossing in sight. Another one of these speed bumps. Alright, we'll park up. And the train should be along at any minute. In fact, look at that, perfect timing. Widescreen mode. Doodle bug ahoy. Head round the corner, Hastings Station, ahoy. Alright, unfortunately we've got a 13-minute video here, so let's hope it's got some luck on it. Hope you enjoyed that. So we're down Warringina. All the street maps, street Google View maps will be available in the link, and as well as a link to my channel. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe, help the channel out. Notify, share, do whatever you got to do the YouTube biz. And I'll catch you in the next one. And that'll be Special Agent Fox out.